passes understanding, cannot be explained. The precious mystery God has given only to the saints, though troubled winds may rage and threaten. All that we hold dear, we hear him whisper through the tempest, my child, have no fear.
What an anchor, what a promise, we will never be alone in the darkest situations. Help comes from the throne. He provides the calm assurance through his holy word. What an anchor in our Savior, settled and secure. The soul who finds its rest in Jesus overcomes by faith, believing God is somehow working through the tears and pain. This world can never comprehend it, for they have no hope, but we are confident and know